sometimes they're really good and sometimes they're not. No. So I'd have to be banging all around it to get the button to pop up or pierce underneath it.
Sometimes my technique at home is to go to where the kitchen drawer is, open the drawer and put that in there, and then push my body up against it, and use it like a vice so it doesn't move. But no, I'm trying to get the budge. I had glass jars with sauces in them for cooking this week, and I couldn't get the lid off. I tried putting the lid under hot water to heat it so it might expand. Trying to get a knife to clip it underneath it, make it flick. I just couldn't do it and I gave up. And then had to get my carer to undo it for me yesterday so I could use it last night. I was stuck because I was had everything ready to cook a meal, and then I couldn't get the sauce to open. I was on my own, so I couldn't do anything.
I never buy this because it's glass and I break it, like straight out of the gate, and I can't open these. Like, I cannot open that to save my life. It would go in my mouth and then I'd break my teeth. Like, I would never buy that because it's just too difficult to open. These ones I'm banned from doing at home. I can't. I feel like most people can't open a can of salsa though, or a jar of salsa. That's so hard. Like, I try to put the knife under it, but because it's glass, I've broken so many of these. Again, that's like I was getting into a habit, so if you stab the top of the middle, it breaks the seal. So I was doing that for a little while, and then I was breaking too many knives. So yeah, you know, like the steak knives, my partner had no more like steak knives because the tip kept snapping off because I would just stab them to release the air, so then they were easy to open. But yeah, so I'm banned from opening these. I either cut myself or I break things, or I break the actual jar.